Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to lock WhatsApp without using any third-party apps, and you can follow this on both Android and iPhone. Locking WhatsApp makes your chats more private because no one else can open the app without unlocking it. First, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. On Android, tap the three dots at the top right of the Chats page, then select Settings. On iPhone, simply tap Settings in the bottom right. Now in Settings, tap on Privacy. Scroll down until you see the option for App Lock and tap on it. Here, turn on Unlock with Biometric. This will enable Face ID, fingerprint, or your device's security method to open WhatsApp. Go ahead and confirm it. You can also choose when WhatsApp should automatically lock. I recommend setting it to immediately for maximum privacy. And that's it. Your WhatsApp is now locked without installing any extra apps. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.